Run! We can take it! We're your family! What are you doing?
Well, I'm avoiding the blast. My bad. Looks like you weren't allergic to stupidity. Just feathers.
It must have got in there during the pillow fight.
Everything is okay then. We can all go home.
Jump!